My name is L.B. Pendor. My father, he is a devotee of Tajuddin Baba. So naturally, in our house, he is regarded in much high esteem. So in that way, we were following Tajuddin Baba's instructions and guidance. And also there was one more master who was on high esteem in our family. He was Ajmer Sharif's Chishti Nizamuddin, Khaja Nizamuddin Chishti. So my father was also very much devoted to Khaja Sahab. And afterwards I heard from Baba that he was. So Baba said that Khaja Nizamuddin Chishti, Khaja Sahab of Ajmer Sharif, he was the Sahib-e-Zaman of that age. It means that when there are 5 masters and there is no avatar at that time, then that one of the masters, he is seated in the, and he is called Sahib-e-Zaman. So like that, he was also very much regarded in my family and along with Tajuddin Baba. So my father used to tell me and family members so many stories about Khaja Sahab and Tajuddin Baba. So naturally we were very much interested in those awliyas and masters. At that time we were not knowing what is master or what is avatar, but we were very much devoted and we have got a firm faith in them. So in this way we were having our good days at Nagpur. Then I was transferred to Jabalpur in 1958, and here I came in contact with so many persons, and one of them was Mr. Pankraj, who was secretary of Avatar Meher Baba Center here. So he was my friend from those days. So he used to tell me about Baba. He used to give me some of his books, pamphlets, etc. to read. So naturally I was reading them, but not knowing or not understanding anything about what is this spirituality, what is masters. I simply read those things and returned them. So in this way 6 months or 1 year or 2 years they have passed. And then in 1962 there was a thing happened in my family. One of my younger brothers, who is in Reserve Bank, working in Reserve Bank, he got interested. He came in touch with a girl. And they were having some love affairs. And that girl was very much after him. And naturally, one day he left with that girl and came to my place, Jabalpur. Then my other brother, who is also working in State Bank, he gave me a trunk call that such and such thing has happened, and our younger brother has come with that girl to Jabalpur. Please find out where is he. So I was very much disturbed because he was a very innocent child, my younger brother, and I never expected that such a thing will happen in my absence, because I was the eldest in the family, eldest brother, and naturally I had some responsibilities with me, and I was much disturbed because he was earning and he had a good help for his family. So naturally I said that if this man, something goes wrong with him, if they put him behind the bars, then what will be the fate of the family? So I wrote to my brother immediately. So he was a very deserving boy and he came with that girl here. Then afterwards, after some time, police came. Then there was a lot of trouble in my family, lot of money were wasted, and the whole family was involved. Then I prayed to Baba, that Baba, if you are God, Allah Almighty, will you please help this family, your poor family, your parivar, to get rid of all these things. Please help us, Baba. Even though I was regarding my master, Tajuddin Baba, Khaja Nizamuddin Chishti, even then, at that moment, I was remembering Baba like anything. I was restless. Every now and then I used to call his name, Baba, please save this family. Baba, please save this family. And then there was a case in the court that continued for 3 months. Then the decision was in our favor. And that girl committed that she has done this of her free will, and he is not a guilty man. So that case was done away. Then I remembered that, Baba, because I was not coming to you directly, very plainly, you have created such situations, created such things, that I was forced to call you and come into your lap, come to your daman. That's why you are created, and I got that firm resolve, firm faith in my mind that Baba is, he himself is creating all these things because he wants us in his lap. He is creating all these things. So I have come not because of my free will, but Baba has called me. Baba has taken me in his daman. So I was regarding Baba, Almighty Allah. Then that year 62 was also there. I went there along with all the Baba Mandali from Jabalpur. I was very much fortunate having their company that time, and we went there. And I had seen only photographs of Baba till then. When I saw Baba, his charming beauty, I was wonderstruck. I had never seen such a personality and figure, that color, that beauty anywhere. So naturally my heart trembled like anything with joy that here is the man who is really God, who is really God. He is Allah, Ishwar, Almighty. Everything I accepted him, and I bowed down before him when my chance came in the queue. I bowed him, I wept like anything, that how Baba, you are compassionate Father, that you have taken me in your fold. Please give me that strength that I will hold on to your daman forever till the end of my life.